Hey, let's go. DGP Friday. I know you guys, we've had kind of a rocky start. You guys are a little squirrely, but you have work we need to be doing. Okay. So, DGP Friday, what are our simple subjects? My Courtney. So it's Courtney, and I write and I in the same. Courtney's eyes. Oh, they are. What are we talking? It's the word I. No, not the word, the letter. Okay. All right. So let's get to work. Nope. All right. So what do we have going on here? What are the conjunctions putting Courtney I together? Which one? Both of them are and. So you're telling me it's both and both. You are right. Both. Yes, you're right. Because in this case, we're not only putting Courtney and I together, but we're emphasizing that it's both of them together. So they're doing it simultaneously. They can be either way. Yes, I just put them in from left to right, how my brain was working. So it can be either one, because you could just say both Courtney. Well, you could have said Courtney and I. We add both as an emphasis that they're doing it simultaneously. So what is it that both Courtney and I are doing? Will go. They will go. Okay. Remember that the helping verb stays with the verb. That's why there's two words in a box. That's okay. And listen, in our brains, we think that practice means to only practice something. Like I will practice the trumpet. I will practice basketball. But in this case, we're not practicing. We'll go to the activity of practice. Okay. But in this case, hold on. Yes, we will answer that in 1 minute. So let's go right into what the preposition is here. Which preposition is this? To. Oh, it's practice first. This answers. This is why we went to this. This is why we went to this. Is that the preposition is to practice. Courtney and I will both go to practice. Now, you asked the question just a minute ago, Gracie, what if it's not an athletic practice? What if it's band practice, right? You would put band here as the modifier. You would put play practice if you're going to the play as the modifier. In this case, what is our modifier? Soccer. Okay. It's okay because it's soccer. Saucer. It'd be saucer. Been playing some saucer. It is actually soccer first. That was the name until the 1880s, and the official soccer organization, International Soccer Organization, changed the name to make it football. And the reason why is because American football was created, and they said, oh, that makes way more sense if we would call our sport football. So they changed their name, and they claim that we use our foot more. So therefore, we named it first. It's not true. For real. Both are incredible sports. I love them greatly. I mean that too. All right. Now, let's refocus because, hey, we're not talking about soccer practice. We're not talking about football practice. Gracie, refocus. We have one more preposition to finish up. After and then school. It does, because the preposition always comes first, and then it's the object of that preposition. Okay? Because the preposition is the one that's modifying, right? The preposition is the one that is modifying. That's why it's at an angle. The noun, the object of that preposition, isn't being modified anymore. But then when we do modify another one, like this soccer practice, when we modify practice, we have it at an angle again. Questions about DGP Friday? Concerns about any of the DGP? Remember to hit save and close, and then hit submit.